Welcome to Werewolf at the Movies. I am Werewolf, and as you can see, I am still in the middle of the Canadian wilderness, riding my motorcycle, and totally enjoying the feeling. It feels like I'm flying. I'm actually on vacation from my job. So currently I'm also getting paid. So what more could I ask for, right? That's right. So, on with the show. Today I am reviewing the film Flawless. It is a heist film. So it's a crime drama, I suppose. Probably with a little built-in action, I'd say, too. So this film is, I don't know, a total sleeper. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this film. Only good things. So, the cast of this fine, fantastic piece of cinematic perfection is as follows. We have one totally babish Demi Moore.
You can't be serious.
And I don't care what you say or what you think, she may be old, but she's still a total fox. And we have Michael Caine.
Well, security cameras, goodness gracious, what will they think of next?
And whatever you may think about Michael Caine, I'm pretty sure you definitely agree that he's badass. Like, he'd take you up back, hey, check out that waterfall. Ah, sweet, that was pretty sweet. Just on the side of the road, what the hell, why not? It's like a Bob Ross painting. Oh, we'll put a little happy waterfall right there. Anyways, sorry guys and girls. Sorry guys and girls. So, Michael Caine is the kind of guy who, if you were to try to mug him in the street, he would turn around, beat you senseless, and then mug you. Because he can. Because he's that badass. I don't know if you saw that. I was looking out the river and I was almost driving straight into the Meridian. That would have ended poorly. But I would have caught that shit all on video. Anyways, I'm going to rate this film 8 Michael Caine drinking a pint out of 10. 8 Michael Caines drinking a pint out of 10. And are you surprised that I chose that? I feel like British people love to have pints. Or maybe that's just what movies tell me. I've never been over there. I've never been to Britain. But I just assume that's how they roll, because they're awesome like that. Anyways, for Werewolf at the Movies, I am your humble werewolfian werewolf, and I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great afternoon. I don't know, what did I decide on last time? A whole bunch of things, right? Whatever. Have a good one of whatever you're having, and I'll see you on the next episode. So, from Canada's wilderness yet again, you guys have yourselves a kick-ass, awesome time. Cheers!